Today we are going to see the experiment thermistor energy gap. Aim of this experiment is to determine the energy gap of a thermistor by plotting a graph of log of R versus 1 by T taking at least 5 reading. Apparatus for this experiments: thermistor, rheostat, voltmeter, thermometer and the wires. Let's see the apparatus which are used in the experiments. It is the battery, its rheostat, a milliammeter of the range 0 to 25, a voltmeter of the range 0 to 10. It's an electric heater, it's a thermometer, and this is the thermistor which we are using in the given experiment. Now formula. Here Eg means energy gap, which is equal to 2 into 2.303 into K into slope divided by 1.6021 into 10 raised to minus 19. Let's see the circuit diagram. Here positive end of the battery is connected to the lower end of the rheostat. The same lower end of the rheostat is connected to the positive end of the voltmeter. The same positive end of the voltmeter is connected to the thermistor. The negative end of the voltmeter is connected to the other end of the thermistor. The same end of the thermistor is connected to the positive end of the milliammeter, and the negative end of the milliammeter is connected to the rheostat. The negative end of the battery is then connected to the lower end, another lower end of the rheostat. We have to make the connections as shown in the circuit diagram. Now nature of the graph. Along x-axis it is 1 by T temperature, and along y-axis it is log of 10 R, and it is a straight line. Before going to the procedure of the experiment, let's see some theory part of the thermistor. What is thermistor? Thermistor is a thermally sensitive resistor. It is made up of a semiconductor material. When we have to find out the energy gap of the thermistor. What is energy gap now? It is the difference between the valence band and the conduction band. It means that the energy required for the electron to jump from the valence band to the conduction band. And there are two types of thermistor. One is NTC. It means that negative temperature coefficient. In that thermistor, as the temperature increases, the resistance decreases and the current increases. In positive temperature coefficient thermistor, as temperature increases, resistance also increases and the current decreases. Now let's move to the observation and the tabular column. In observation, first we have to note down the room temperature, that is 30 degrees Celsius. Next, before going to the procedure, let's see what the values we have to keep in the ammeter and the battery. In battery, first we have to keep 3 volt in a battery. Then by using the rheostat, we have to keep 1 volt across in a voltmeter across the thermistor, which is constant throughout the experiment. Here we can see that the voltage across the thermistor is 1 volt throughout the experiment. So first it is temperature. The first tableau is temperature, the temperature in Kelvin, voltage across the thermistor, current in millimeter, resistance, log of R, and 1 by T. Now we have to heat the given thermistor with the help of the electric heater. As soon as the thermometer reaches the 40 degrees Celsius, we have to note down the current reading in a ammeter, that is about 1.5 milliammeter. So similarly, we have to see the current reading for the 45 degree Celsius, which is about 2 milliampere. So similarly, we have to continue the experiment for the different range of the temperature, that is 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85 and 90, and correspondingly we have to note down the ammeter reading. Later then we can calculate R by using the formula R is equal to V by I. Log of R we can calculate and 1 by T we can calculate. This is the procedure for the heating. It means that we are heating the given thermistor. We have to continue the same procedure for cooling. It means that we have to cool the given thermistor from 90 degrees Celsius to the 40 degree Celsius, and we have to note down the corresponding readings in a milliammeter. So this is the procedure and tabulation of our experiment. Now let's see the graph which I have plotted by using the same readings. So 1 by T along x-axis and log of R along y-axis. So I have plotted the graph and my slope is equal to 1.25 into 10 raised to plus 3, which I have got. Next we have to tabulate all our readings in the formula which we have seen before. The formula is E is equal to 2 into 2.303 into K, which is Boltzmann's constant, into slope, which we have find out in the graph, divided by 1.602 into 10 raised to minus 19. So I have tabulated all the values and I have got the energy gap which is equal to 0.496 electron volt. It means that the energy required to jump the electron from the valence band to the conduction band in this thermistor is about 0.4966 electron volt, and this energy gap varies from thermistor to thermistor and semiconductor to semiconductor, and it can be also varied with the help of adding impurities. So the energy gap of our thermistor is 0.4966 electron volt. So this is the experiment in how we can find out the energy gap of the thermistor. Thank you.